Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for another cartooning video. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna spray paint my phone. Alright guys, I'm back. I know it's been a while. I've been out and about doing art around Downers Grove. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon dolphin. Got my paper, got my pencil, got my markers. Let's get started. Okay. With my pencil, I'm gonna start with basic shapes. So for the dolphin, it's an elongated bean. Gonna have the dolphin jumping out of the ocean. A curvy triangular shape for the fin. For the tail. What kind of shape? It almost looks like a banana. Or an upside down Y, right? And then the mouth goes out. See, it looks like a bill. Curve there. I think I want to make it fatter. Semicircle for the eye. Draw another oval. And then another little oval. This eye is a little bit smaller, but I still want to show it. These lines aren't necessary. Yeah, I think it's looking good, just like that. And then I want to do this, so we know that's the bottom of the dolphin. There we go. I think this needs to be fatter, honestly. Yeah, that's better. This needs to be skinnier. I know it looked fine, but I think that looks better. Then I said it was coming out of the water. So let me draw the waves. Can you see that? Yeah. Just checking the camera. And some water droplets. All right, there you go. My pencil drawing. Next, I will grab my black marker pens and outline. But as you all know, if you've seen my videos before, I do a time lapse. Enjoy. All right, so I forgot to press the time lapse record button. Whoops. But as you can see, I already outlined my dolphin. I'll use the time. I won't forget to press the time lapse record button when I start coloring. So I picked out the markers I want to use for my dolphin and the water. I might use colored pencils for the background. We'll just see how it looks after I do the dolphin and the ocean. So I finished outlining and coloring my dolphin. I'm looking at the background. I just feel like it's too white. So I grabbed my watercolor set and I'm just gonna do the background real quick. I'm not gonna do a blue. I'll do like warm colors for like a sunrise. So dipping my brush in the water. Gonna pick this deep orange. Just kind of spread it out. I get real careful when I get to the sea foam. It's all right if it gets in there. It adds to the picture, I guess. Spread this out. Be a lot easier to go around these edges with a smaller brush, but I just wanna extend this color throughout. Continue it here. I don't necessarily have to get to the edge of the paper. I think this is good enough. Okay. Now, as you can see, I'm letting it fade to the top because at the top, I want to use this warm yellow so that when I start from the top and go down, it blends in with the orange. Let me start at the top first. So bringing it down. See how it's blending? Pretty easy. But even though it's easy, it's cool looking. Again, I'm careful around the edges of the dolphin. I know you're thinking, why don't you just grab a thinner brush? No. I want to do this all in one take. One video clip. There. Let me try to blend some of that yellow down here. Not too much. There, that is much better than having a white background. Okay, now that I think I'm done, last thing I need to do is get a marker pen, sign my name in the corner, and there you go. The first drawing of the summer season. It is a dolphin. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this little lesson. Take care, and remember, if you have any other suggestions for me to draw, you know how to find me. Make sure to tell me, and maybe it'll be the next video. All right, take care, everyone. Bye.